Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Scott, aka the Car Tech, and today we're doing my decals on my 2019 Ford F-150. Doing the decal on the back, and I got my helper around here. You saw him peek around the corner. Here's my little dude, Jack.
Hi.
He hasn't been on the channel in a while. I think he was 3 the last time he was on the channel. Now he's 6, almost 7. Huh? You're gonna be 7 in 2 months. What do you say, guys? Can you do your spiel? Jack wants to be a big YouTuber, so he's gonna help out. Go ahead, buddy.
Channel. Make sure to click the subscribe button. Just give him a big thumbs up.
Yeah, that's right. Click the subscribe button, turn on notifications, give him a big thumbs up. Jack, come on over here, buddy. Okay, so we're doing the decal for the F-150 right here on the back. This right here. So, as you can see, it's not on there yet. I've got it ready to go. I got to clean everything up, and so clean everything up. Have my helper Jack help me. You gonna help me out, Jack?
Yeah.
Okay. You looking forward to it? All right. All right. Say we'll see you in a few minutes, guys.
We'll see you in a few minutes, guys.
All right, guys. Me and my friendly helper Jack. Say hi again, Jack.
Hi.
We got it cleaned off and we got it swabbed with alcohol just per the instructions. What's up, buddy?
Can I show you something?
Yeah, absolutely. Show him something. Oh yeah, doing the floss. Big time into Fortnite, so he's got to do the floss. Can you do your other Fortnite dances? Good job, Jack. Good job.
That's the default dance.
Sweet.
When
Okay.
you just a bot, you don't
Okay.
know how to play.
Let's get back to this. So it's all cleaned off and everything's ready to go. The alcohol swabbed and all that stuff. So when we come back, I'll have the decals on there. And let's hope I don't screw this up too much. See you in a few.
Yeah, bye.
Okay. Jack, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Jack hasn't seen it yet. I've seen it, and oh my goodness, it's sick. It's got like a mirror finish on it. Oh, it looks so good.
I don't know where
All right.
I'm going.
You ready, Jack?
Yeah.
Okay, can you climb down
No,
so you can see? I'll help you.
I can't find out.
Come on. Let me help you. There you go. You guys see it for the first time. Look at that.
The window.
Look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh my goodness. That is sick. I didn't know it was going to look this good. Honestly. Holy cow.
Good.
Wow. Do you like it, Jack?
Yeah.
Where are you going? It's right here, Jack. Okay, well, anyways, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. This is the after. This is the after. Holy cow.
Come on.
How does it look?
Look inside, guys.
We're not going to look inside. We don't need to look inside. Anyways, so guys, look at this. This is, oh my goodness, it's like a mirror finish on there.
Guys, they're two buddies. Like two buddies.
Anyways, Jack,
Guys, look at two buddies.
well, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click the subscribe button. What do we do after subscribe button? Turn on notifications. And thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Say bye.